Guys, hello. It is the 1st of March, so what I'm going to do is a bit of a recap on how February went for me. So February was interesting. I got into the Euro Aussie, that is a buy trade. I sold the USD yen, still open positions, so obviously unrealized. It's unrealized loss on those currently, but what I want to touch base on is how February went. So it was 2.01% loss, and $24 was around 4.5% gained. So I'm still positive for the year. So if we go up to this year, so I'm up 2.62% currently. Thoughts on that? Look, the USDCAD wasn't really a bad trade. I would have recapped that. That was opened in, I think it was like the 8th of Feb, closed on the 14th, and it was a loss. That was 2%, stuck to the plan. In early January, I took around a 1% loss on a USD Swiss, poor risk management, using another platform on my phone. I don't do that anymore. I won't do that. I was guesstimating. So I would be up probably over 3% currently. So that's why it's important to start with a small live account. That's what I'm doing, because you're going to have little issues and you've just got to be aware of that, and you've got to refine. Okay. But anyway, so that was February and that was January. So I don't really want to talk about currently, because obviously we're in March, but I do have another graph here to show you as well. So this was the total P&N from this month. So obviously I started 1st of Jan with the new live account. Well, it's not a new live account. I had money in this account for a managed sort of program where a professional trader would trade my money on my behalf. But there we go. Interesting. There are the two losses. We've got 11, we've got 20. So we've got $30 made and then $15 lost. So that's sort of what you want to see, really. But yeah, so here's a nice little cumulative P&L graph. So that's sort of how we're sitting really for the month. So I think it goes to the 7th, which is interesting. But yeah, so again, that's why if I was to go to OL, you would see a lot more. But I've done 6 trades so far this year, and this is how it's looking. So not too bad, to be fair. Win rate, I'm happy with. This needs to be up a little bit more, probably closer to 2. But yeah, anyway, I'm up very early tomorrow. I just wanted to discuss how the trade's going. And disposition is a ratio that the Oanda trading performance platform calculates. So you want it to be at least 1 or over, and what that means is it's a comparison between how much you carry losing trades how long for, and how long you have winning trades open for. So more than 1 is indicative of having winning trades open longer than losing trades. So that's a good thing, because you don't really want your losers to just keep going and going and going. You want them to be, cut off with stop loss, or, whatever system you've got to stem the bleeding. Okay. Anyway, guys, that is the situation. Thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye for now.